how to create a zoom in effect in Canva. So I'll show you how you can go and zoom in to your videos using Canva. Now the first thing we're going to do is just create a new design like this. And then once you've opened up your project, we first need to import the videos. So over on the left hand side, you can select uploads. And then you'll simply need to go in, drag the video over that you want to zoom into. Now, once you have your video on the timeline like this, you then need to go and move the playhead to where you want the zoom effect to begin. So for me, I'm going to play the video and then I want the zoom in effect to be around this point here. Now, once you've moved your playhead to this point, go and right click on the video clip and then select split. Now click on the second video that we just split. Make sure it's selected like this. Now, once you have the second video clip selected, go and double click on the video in the timeline. It should then bring up this crop box, and then you can simply zoom in or zoom out of the video. Now, once you're happy, just press done. Now, if you go and play this video back, you can see that we have now created this zoom in effect. Now, the final thing you need to do to make this smooth is you need to add a transition between the two clips. So if you hover your mouse cursor in between these two videos, you can see we have the option for add transition. Click on this, and then you need to scroll down and select match and move. You can choose to change the duration. I'm just going to leave this at 0.5 seconds. And then go and play your video back once again. And as you can see, we have now created a smooth zoom in effect in Canva.